In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Base44 web app in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a live shareable link to your Base44 web app that's ready to use inside your Shopify storefront. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base4 web app. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the right projects. This matters because your published link is tied to the app in the workspace you're currently viewing. Once you're in, look for the apps section on the left or top navigation and click it. This takes you to a list of all the apps associated with your account. Think of it as your command center. Drafts, published versions, and anything you've been building will appear here. If you have a lot of items, filters like My Apps or Workspace Views can help you quickly narrow down the app you want to embed. From the list, select the specific app you plan to use on Shopify. Clicking into it opens the editor or preview area where you can verify the latest changes. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the correct app name and preview. It's a simple check that saves you from publishing the wrong project. Now, publish the app. Find and click the Publish button. Publishing makes your app available through a stable, public URL. If Base44 offers environment choices, pick the one you intend to use on your live store, typically production. Wait for the confirmation that the publish is complete. If you're updating an existing app, this step ensures your latest changes are what shoppers will see. After publishing, you'll see a shareable link for the app. Copy that link. This is the URL you'll use when embedding the Base44 experience in Shopify. Before you move on, open the link in a new browser tab to confirm it loads without errors. If it doesn't, republish or check that you're on the right app and workspace. With the link in hand, you're ready to bring it into Shopify. Depending on your theme and setup, you can reference this URL in a custom HTML section, an app embed, or even link to it from your navigation. If you plan to display it inside a page via an iframe, make sure the link is accessible and allowed to be embedded. If you later update your app in Base44, just publish again to refresh what your customers see. That's it, your Base44 app is published and you've got the link needed for Shopify. Keep this URL somewhere safe and you'll be able to reuse it across pages, sections, and campaigns as your store evolves.